Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can unblock someone or block someone if you want on AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC. After that, open AOL Mail and log into your account. What you need to do next is click on Settings, which is over here, this gear icon, and click on More Settings. After that, you can see the security and privacy option over here on the left hand side. You can see filters over here, it's just below it. So you can see the security and privacy, click on it, and you can see the blocked address. This is the address which I had blocked because this person was disturbing me. Now I want to delete it or unblock this person. So I'll just go ahead and click on Delete Blocked Sender over here. So you can just click on this icon and there you go. You had just unblocked this sender. Now I'm going to teach it to you once again. So this is the person I'm going to block right now. I'll just click on Save. This email is blocked. This email cannot send a mail to me on my AOL Mail. Now if I want to unblock it, it's quite easy. I'll just go ahead and click on this delete button. It will delete the blocked sender. And there you go. You have just unblocked someone on AOL Mail. If you want to block all senders except your contacts, you can do that as well. If you just enable this, you cannot be contacted except your contacts. So only accept messages from senders in your contact list, and you will not receive messages from senders who are not in your contact list. The sender will not be notified. If you are expecting messages from a specific sender, be sure to add your email address to your contacts. So if you want to do this, this option is also here. So you can just enable or disable it, and you can see that you can unblock some people or someone on AOL Mail or unblock them right here from this section over here quite easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.